What keeps your computer running smoothly? It's the operating system. An operating system, or OS for short, is like the brains of your computer. It's a powerful software program. The OS controls everything your computer does. Without an operating system, your computer would be a useless box of circuits. It wouldn't know how to talk to the printer. It wouldn't know how to display things on the screen. It wouldn't even know how to run your favorite games. Think of it like this. Your computer's hardware is like a car's engine, wheels and steering wheel. The software is like the driver who knows how to use them. The operating system is like the car itself, bringing everything together to make it go. In short, the operating system is the unsung hero of your computer. It's the reason you can write an email, browse the internet, or play a video game without being a computer whiz. To understand operating systems, you need to know about hardware and software. Hardware refers to the physical parts of a computer that you can touch. This includes things like the monitor, keyboard, mouse, and the computer case itself. Inside that case, you'll find the motherboard, hard drive, RAM, and CPU, which are all essential hardware components. Software, on the other hand, is intangible. It refers to the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do. Think of software as the recipes that tell the computer how to perform specific tasks. Software includes things like web browsers, games, and even the operating system itself. You can't have one without the other. Hardware provides the physical platform and software provides the instructions. The operating system acts as the bridge between these two worlds, ensuring they work together harmoniously. Imagine you're a musician in an orchestra. You play the flute and you're really good at it, but you can't just start playing whenever you feel like it. You need a conductor to coordinate with the other musicians, set the tempo, and make sure everyone is playing the right notes at the right time. That's what the operating system does for your computer. It acts as the conductor, mediating between the hardware and software. When you click on a program icon, the operating system tells the hard drive to find the program files. Then it tells the CPU to start executing the instructions in those files, and it tells the monitor to display the program window. Without an operating system, the hardware and software wouldn't be able to communicate effectively. It's like trying to have an orchestra without a conductor. Chaos would ensue. Section 4. Goals of an operating system: efficiency and user-friendliness. Operating systems have two main goals. First, they strive to make the computer hardware as efficient as possible. They do this by managing resources like the CPU time, memory allocation, and hard drive space. Think of it like a chef managing ingredients in a busy kitchen. The operating system makes sure that each program gets the resources it needs to run smoothly. It prevents programs from hogging resources and slowing down the entire system. Second, operating systems aim to make computers easy for people to use. They provide a user interface like the icons, windows, and menus you interact with. They also offer tools for managing files, installing software, and customizing your computer's settings. Imagine having to write complex code just to open a file or browse the internet. Operating systems abstract away those complexities, making computers accessible to everyone, even those who don't know a lick of programming. Section 5. Booting up the bootstrap process. Have you ever wondered what happens when you press the power button on your computer? It's a fascinating process called booting, short for bootstrapping. When you turn on your computer, it's like waking it up from a deep sleep. The first thing it needs is a little jolt to get going. This jolt comes from a small program stored in a special chip called the BIOS. The BIOS checks if all essential hardware components are working correctly. Once confirmed, it searches for the operating system on the hard drive. When it finds the operating system, it loads it into memory and hands over control. Without the bootstrap process, your computer wouldn't know where to find the operating system. Section 6. Evolution of operating systems from batch processing to real-time systems. Operating systems have come a long way since the early days of computing. Back then, computers were massive machines that took up entire rooms. They were also much less powerful than today's smartphones. Initially, computers used batch processing systems running one program at a time. As technology advanced, so did operating systems. Time-sharing systems allowed multiple users to share a single computer. This led to the development of personal computers and user-friendly operating systems. Today, we have a wide variety of operating systems for different purposes. Real-time operating systems are used in embedded systems like cars and airplanes. Mobile operating systems like Android and iOS power our smartphones and tablets. And desktop operating systems like Windows, macOS and Linux power our personal computers. As technology advances, we can expect even more innovative operating systems in the future.